When to use your Easy Lock for your 200 series Land Cruiser. Now, Easy Lock is a function that locks your converter where software is being applied when we push the power button for high speed and the second start for low speed. The high speed comes in from 85 to 90 kilometers an hour. Low speed will come in from 40 kilometers an hour. How do I use this? The power button is usually what majority of people use on the highway, traveling 100 kilometers an hour, towing a van. That is the button that everyone tends to use. It is the most common way to use the lockup system. It'll stop the converter from unlocking and locking. It'll stay locked in the whole time, which means lower transmission temps. If you're wanting to use low speed, a little bit more complicated in the fact that it's used at anything under that set speed of around 90 kilometers an hour. You can use it from 40 kilometers an hour onwards in manual mode, shifting manually in the gears to hold the converter locked in to stop the transmission overheating. That is more commonly used in, say, forward driving situations in sand and you're towing heavy loads up hills where you can't get up to the set speed of the high speed. You can drive the car with both buttons off, everything will work like normal. There is nothing you can do here that will break anything or cause any issues, so use it how you will. There is other videos on here to explain more in-depth detail about how the operation works here. Thanks, guys.